In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add a Microsoft Store shortcut to the desktop or to the home screen on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Okay, so the first thing to do is at the bottom on the taskbar, you want to click on it. So click on the Start button. So click on this one. And here at the top, you want to type in Microsoft Store. Here from the search result, so here we've got the best match, so we've got the search result. So you want to right click on it, and then you want to pin from start, and you want to pin to the taskbar. So here at the moment I already pinned it, so I will unpin it for you. So here you click on pin to start, and you can also pin to taskbar. Okay, so after that we go down and click on it again. So click on your start button. Up here you should be able to find Microsoft Store in the pin section. So click on all apps and you want to look for Microsoft. So down here in the list, click on Microsoft Store and you want to drag it like this to the desktop like that and let go. And that's it. So here it has created a shortcut on the desktop, and we can then open Microsoft Store from the shortcut. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.